Hi everyone, my name is Shreyar and these are my teammates Alex and Richard, and this is our project Recycler Pro. When thinking of an idea of what project to create for Dragonhacks, we wanted to create a project that highlighted issues that were pertinent to not only us but all of our friends around us. And we realized that any time we would go out to eat or get to-go boxes or takeaway boxes, we would always be confused on how to recycle them or throw them out for trash because we were unaware of the material that they were made from. This made us realize that we would like an app or a tool that would tell us and do this heavy lifting for us. So we decided to create Recycler Pro, which does all this for us. So all that users have to worry about is being environmentally friendly. As you guys can see, when you open our page, you see you're greeted with the login page, which is to ensure that every user has their own session information to ensure whenever they recycle items, we can keep track of that information for future use.
So when you log into our app, the first thing you see is our homepage. Our homepage contains information such as why you should take recycling serious in your environment, our mission statement, processes, and our contact form.
And the main feature of our app is the trash detector part. So based on any handheld item you're about to throw away, it will tell you whether it belongs in the trash or in the recycling can. And it does so through using a convolutional neural network that classifies whatever object you're holding, as well as whether it's trash or recyclable, as well as drawing a bounding box around it as proof that the model is working.
Our next feature for our website is our product page. Based on whatever item the user scans for trash, our algorithm is going to pick it up and on a k-nearest neighbor clustering algorithm on a dataset that we found online on Amazon items. And based on the scanned items, they're going to recommend similar items to the user that they might like. We're also going to be using this as part of our initiative to partner with large corporations and their social responsibility programs to make sure that these companies can be more environmentally friendly by offering users who are trying to be environmentally friendly discounts on certain items that are also environmentally friendly. This will make sure that we are helping those companies connect with those users who need products that are also keeping in care with the environment. Next up, we have our news page, which takes into account the user's recycling habits and the items that they recycle. And based on dynamic keywords, it scans articles off the internet and runs sentiment analysis as well as natural language processing on it to summarize the articles and show the users the most relevant articles for them to make sure they're always interested in recycling and know the effects of recycling on the environment. Finally, I would like to say that our reason for making this project was to make sure that we are able to connect people who want to recycle and make it easier for them to be able to recycle, to make it easier for recycling companies and to reduce their costs on filtering out trash from recycles, and also to help companies connect to customers and give them a place to advertise their environmentally friendly products and give discounts to customers who would like to do so. And we believe with Recycler Pro, we are able to connect all of these three stakeholders and benefit them all equally. Thank you.